Hello everyone and welcome to Angled. Today, since we've got a couple of dinosaur movies coming out here in a little bit, we decided to show off a few of the things that we recently got on the site in that particular genre. So starting here with the classic, the old Brontosaurus. This is an awesomely detailed model because it has all the rippling of the skin, all the texture of the skin, and even the teeth itself are inside of there where you can see them all coming out. The eyes don't have pupils, but it's an exceptionally detailed model and just beautiful there in general. And it's perfectly sized for your headphones so that they hang right there, they have a little bit of space, they don't get stretched out in any sort of way. It's just a really, really nifty model. And then of course, you've got the T-Rex, and this particular T-Rex is actually a wall mount. So you take it right there, mount it up to your wall, and you can either hang your jackets or, again, headphones. This is a common theme that we use around here. But the T-Rex head also has a lot of detail. All the spines on the outer side, all the teeth, of course, inside of there. It even has his tongue all the way going back into there. So this is a nice classic predator to have hanging outside the wall of a bedroom or just at the entryway for the guests when they're coming in to hang their jackets on. So that's a wall mount there. We've got a standard headphone stand. One thing, this is not a dinosaur, but you know what, we couldn't find any more models, so we went ahead and grabbed the Godzilla. And in the context of detail, I mean, they're ranked just about like this. I mean, the Brontosaurus is really, really good, but the detail on the Godzilla is phenomenal. You've got individual scales and spines, and underneath his chin has all the leathery texture, and then the pattern on the back, it's all awesome. With the teeth itself, and again the tongue also coming out, exceptional detail. This one is actually one of our more popular headphone stands, because again they go right in there and just hang out, don't get stretched out, they're awesome for this. And again, if you haven't ever seen these before, these are kind of our standard size ones. That's about how they fit right there on a human, about like so. Yeah, these headphone stands are all clean and simple, and that one, of course, the wall. But we got some special stuff here today, because we've got these guys, and these guys are kind of this best saved for last, because even though they don't really have any sort of function, they're actually my favorite model. I'm partial to the Triceratops, but these are dinosaur hatchlings, hatchling figurines. They are paintable, or you can just keep them as is, just virgin, or select one of the color options. But I love these because we have baby T-Rex, baby Triceratops, and I think there's probably a baby Velociraptor coming out pretty soon. But the designer of these has just done great work, because you see you've got the egg, and then you've got the egg cracking around the infant coming out. And again, I know I talk about the detail all the time, but this T-Rex has individual scales on the top of his head. He's textured just right. He's got an upper side and a lower side. And the design itself, just the way they sit there on the table stably. The Triceratops has his three little horns, and then of course the fan there. But the broken egg and how it merges all together and makes a single model is just an awesome piece of work. And I love these models. This Triceratops is actually my personal model. I keep him on the desk. And I love him just to be there because he's cute, but he's also just really, really cool. Because in the context of the Jurassic Park movies, how many times have you seen that scene from the original movie where the hatchlings are coming out and you see them hold the egg and the hatchling, and they're just like, oh my gosh, a dinosaur. It's kind of what this feels like. But anyway, those are the new models for the new Jurassic World movies coming out. Hope you guys go ahead and take a look at them, or take a look at the site. Comment down below with any other sorts of models that you'd like us to take a look at and try printing out, or designers that you'd like us to reach out to. Thanks, everybody.